Good morning, friends, and welcome back to our second day of summer school. I am so glad that you are here with me, and I can't wait to see you soon on Zoom. We are going to Zoom a little bit earlier in the summer. We're going to Zoom around 10 a.m., and we'll do scavenger hunts. We will do direct draws, and we might try to do some different activities. So today at 10, so in just a few hours, I will see you on Zoom, and I am so excited. Guys, I have missed you. I can't wait to hear about what you've been doing. Today, we will talk about what we've been doing over summer, anything new that you want to share with your class, and then we will do a scavenger hunt, and you'll find me your favorite things, but I have themes, okay? So it'll be a lot of fun. So let's get started today. I really like this document camera for the morning message, so we're gonna keep rolling with it this week. If we find that it's a little weird, maybe we'll go back to the whiteboard, but I'm really liking it. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm liking it a lot. So let me share the visualizer with you. That's what the software is called. Here it is. And today I had to go to 2 pages because I wrote too big. Okay, here we go. June 10th, 2020. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. We will practice subtraction today. Can we do it? Yes, we can. It will be a great day. Hold on, let me turn the page. Uh-oh, they're stuck together. There we go. I can and I will. Love, Mrs. Forrester. P.S. I can't wait to see you on Zoom. Now, if you choose to write a letter to somebody, the P.S., it is something that maybe you forgot to include in your letter and you want them to know. So P.S., I can't wait to see you, okay? And P.S. has a meaning, and to be honest with you, I do not know what that meaning is. So maybe today you can look that up. I think a teacher told me once in school, but I just know that it's if you forget to say something in your letter, you just write P.S. and then you write it, okay? So that is our morning message today. I said that we are going to talk about subtraction. So we will do that. I know that it's been a little bit since we did subtraction, and you guys were rocking it right before we closed in March. And we're going to take a couple of days to practice it over our lessons, just because I want to make sure we have a good foundation in that, okay? So we'll get to that in just a few minutes, but for now, we are going to go ahead and review our sounds and our sight words. So we're going to do a lot of ears on and ears off right now, so kind of stick with me. Let's go ahead and start with our sight words. We're going to really focus on 4th quarter words this summer. I don't really want to hit a lot of 1st grade material. We might hit a little bit of it, but I want to make sure that you're just strong in what you should have learned in kindergarten, okay? So ears on. Saw, saw, S-A-W, saw. Little, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, little. Under, under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Will, will, W-I-L-L, will. Good, good, G-O-O-D, good. Eat, eat, E-A-T, eat. Can I tell you a secret? Mrs. Forrester has been eating a lot of gummy bears lately. Ride, ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Find, find, F-I-N-D, find. Down, down, D-O-W-N, down. Into, into, I-N-T-O, into. Must, must, M-U-S-T, must. You must do your homework. R, O-U-R, R. Jump, jump, J-U-M-P, jump. New, new, N-E-W, new. Now, now, N-O-W, now. Remember, when you want someone to do something for you, now, it's an O. And when you get something new, it's an E. Please, please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. She, S-H-E, she. Get, G-E-T, get. Funny, funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. And last word, say, S-A-Y, say. Repeating ears off. Good job, friends. I know it has been a while. We'll review all kindergarten words, but I really want us to touch on fourth quarter first. Okay, before we do letter sounds, let's practice counting really quickly. This week we're going to focus on counting by tens. Counting by tens. We went to 150 yesterday. You think we can go to 180 today? What do you think? You want to do it? Okay, get ready. Loosen up. Okay, feel free to jump if you want to jump. I'm going to continue to sit, but if you want to jump, feel free to jump while we count. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Keep going. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Tomorrow we'll go to 200. I wonder if you could go to 200 by yourself. I bet some of you could. Let's do it one more time. Count by tens to 180. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Are you with me? 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. We did it. Good job. Tomorrow we're going to go to 200. We're going to practice by tens, counting by tens to 200 tomorrow. You guys have been rocking it so far this week. Alrighty, let's review our letter sounds. Are you ready? We did this yesterday, and I was impressed at how well we did it. I mean, it's been about a month since we've done these, and you guys rocked it. Okay, here we go. Ears on. H, ha, hat. G, game. J, jug. D, dog. S, snake. N, nut. T, top. P, pan. Viva van. R, rat. L, lamp. M, man. B, bat. A, apple. C, cat. E, head. Y, yellow. O, octopus. U, up. I, itch. X, fox. K, kite. F, fun. Q, queen. Z, zebra. W, wind. Good job. Repeating ears off. You guys are rocking that review. I am impressed with you. Okay, now we are going to jump into subtraction. So remember, subtraction is when you have some, like I am holding some markers, and I take it away. So when we subtract, our number will always, always, always get smaller, okay? So again, we start with a big number, right? We start with a number. Like I have three smelly markers. I decide to put 2 away. Now I am left with 1. So 3 take away 2 is 1. Now, if you remember, let me real quick. Remember, there is a sign that goes with subtraction, okay? A sign. Do you remember what that sign is? I shouldn't use pink. It's kind of hard to see. We have this sign. Whoops. And it's a minus sign. Can you say minus? So when I'll show you in a minute, but when we have our number sentence, we'll have, let's keep going with our 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, then we'd have the equal sign 1. Okay, so whenever you see this sign, you know that your number is going to get smaller because you are taking away. So when we subtract, the number always gets smaller. You are always taking things away. So let me show you this worksheet. And I do apologize if we have already done this. I don't think we have, but there's a good chance that we did. But it's good practice either way. I'm going to be a little off the screen so that I can make sure that I'm really on the worksheet. So what it says is it's a snowball fight subtraction. So let's pretend maybe it's a water balloon fight. That's more fitting for summer. Read each story problem and cross off the snowballs that are thrown. Write how many are left. Okay, so I have 8 snowballs. So they've already drawn the picture, but let's go ahead and check their work. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I really do have 8 snowballs. I throw 6. How many are left? So if I am throwing 6, I'm getting rid of 6 snowballs. So let's cross off 6. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many snowballs are left? You're right, 2 snowballs are left. So 8 minus 6 is 2. We had 8, we took away 6, now we are left with 2. Okay, I have 5 snowballs. Let's count and make sure I really have 5 snowballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We good? Yes. I will throw 3. So are we gonna add 3 more snowballs? No. I guess these are water balloons. Are we gonna add 3 more? No. We're gonna take them away. We're gonna cross them off, right? Because I have 5 and I'm throwing 3. 1, 2, 3. How many snowballs am I left with? I had 5. I took away 3. I have how many left? Good, I have 2 left. Okay. I have 10 snowballs. Let's make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you counting with me? 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 snowballs, and I throw 7. So what does that mean? If we throw 7, do we add 7 snowballs to our pile, or do we cross them off? Good, we cross them off. Are you ready? Let's cross them off. How many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? You're right, there are 3 snowballs left. Good. We haven't been reading our number sentence, and I apologize for that. So let's go ahead and stop, and let's go back up, and let's read our number sentence. We have 8 minus 6 equals 2. We had 8, we took away 6, now we have 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Read the last one with me if you haven't been. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Good. Okay. I have 4 snowballs. Let's make sure they have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will throw 1. What does that mean? What am I going to do? Yeah, I'm going to cross off 1. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Good. Now, if you want to pause the video right now, I will read these questions to you real quick. If you want to pause the video and practice these on your own, these last 2, and then see how you did by pressing play, you could do that. So on this one, you have 9 snowballs and you throw 0. And then on this one, I have 3 and I will throw 2. Okay, so if you want to practice on your own, you could pause the video and do these 2 on your own and then press play and see how you did, okay? If you're not so sure, you can stick with me. You don't have to pause it. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep going. I have 9 snowballs, so let's go ahead and count the 9 to make sure they have 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I throw 0. How many am I going to cross off? I hear the word none. What's the math word for none, friends? 0. Good. So if I cross off 0 circles, how many circles am I left with? Yep, let's count and make sure, but I hear some right answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 0 is 0. Okay, last one. I have 3 snowballs. I will throw 2. How many are left? So first, let's count and make sure we have 3. 1, 2, 3. I will throw 2. So we're going to cross off 2. 1, 2. How many is left? Just 1. So 3 minus 1. I'm sorry, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Good job. So that was our subtraction today. Okay, that was our subtraction lesson today. Remember, when we subtract, the number gets smaller because we are taking things away, okay? I am so glad that you joined me again today. Oh, trying to fix my chair, sorry. I'm so glad you joined me today. I will see you at 10 a.m. for our Zoom lesson, okay? 10 a.m. So come ready to go. We'll do a scavenger hunt and we'll talk about what we've been doing and any news that you want to share with the group, okay? I am looking forward to seeing you. As Miss Porter would say, have a super great, awesome Little Redbird Tuesday. Bye, friends.